Alright guys, this is aftermarket stuff. So these are just yeah, I can look at it. These are a little too big. Now they say they for the Regal, but they just a little too big. But these are a lot longer and stuff too. So the good thing is that I think I'm gonna be able to take this stuff off of here and then just use this round bushing. So at least it ain't a total loss. Alright guys, so I lucked out. The bushing fits in there nice and tight, so that's fine. So now all I gotta do, I use the same one, and hopefully this door will shut the way it should. So now I got this taped up so overspray while I'm priming or painting outside, I don't get a lot of overspray in here. But I need to pour that up and get this line back up where it was, because this door was closing. This door was closing good. But I want to make sure it's lined up exactly where I want it, guys, because otherwise I'm gonna have problems. All right, that looked like that's right where it needs to be. Now let me see. All right. All right, now I'll just see if this baby will close. Yes, sir. The doors need to be oiled up, but yeah, closing good, guys. So yeah, sometimes you just gotta compromise and make stuff work, guys.